you get people with okay with accepting low ball price? Do they go through initial shock?
That depends how they're gonna go. I mean, if you call a random seller up, right, and they don't know who you are, and you just say, "Hey, I want to buy your home for $50K and it's worth 100," they're gonna hang up on you. You need to set expectations and coach them of what's coming at the end of the call, or if you go on an appointment. They need to understand. And most sellers they'll be honest. Hey, I know you have to make money. I know this house needs a lot of work. Most sellers aren't like crazy like that. Like, they think the house is worth a crazy amount. So it's really about just building rapport. I mean, once you build rapport, you can say anything to them.
Yeah.
So it's mainly about building rapport. So getting why they're selling it in the first place, why they don't list it with a realtor. Because if they don't want a lowball offer, why not just list with a realtor? Stuff like that. Why aren't they doing that? Why aren't they just renting it out? Why aren't they fixing it up themselves and selling it? Why aren't they cleaning up the land and building a property on it, and selling it for $300K? Stuff like that. You have to get that out the way. That way it's coaching them to, hey, if I don't want to do all these things, the last option is to sell it at a discount. So
Definitely.
you just have to coach them and build rapport. And then once you build enough rapport, you can say anything to them.
I'm telling you, yeah, you get the right rapport and it's pretty easy. So I agree with you. I mean, the shock thing, and to get the rapport, it's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.